Hi, my name is Fale, and my message for Faithful Friday today will be about faith. I'll be reading from the book of Hebrews, chapter 11, verse 1. And it says, "Now faith is being sure of what we hope for and certain of what we do not see." So my message will be coming from the book of Job. As we all know the story about Job, he went through many obstacles. He lost his wealth, his children, and even his health. So he was going through a lot of hardship. He was going through it physically, mentally. Even after everything, despite everything he was going through, he still kept the faith and he kept praising God and he remained faithful. God then restored everything to him, giving him twice as much as what he has lost and what he had before. And he lived a long and blessed life. Even though Job went through all them hardships, all them obstacles, no matter what he was going through, he kept the faith in God and he kept trusting and believing in God and praising God. And that is my message to